Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zyni Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Euripides. Character number 4, Medea. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Zyni Study Instruments, Literature in Pakistan. Now I'm gonna start the topic. Very important topic in Greek literature, Greek tragedy, Euripides, Medea. In Greek mythology, Medea, ancient Greek, Medea is the daughter of King Euripides of Colchis, Anais of Circe, and the granddaughter of the sun god Helios. Medea figures in the myth of Jason and the Argonauts, appearing in Hesiod's Theogony around 700 BC, but best known from Euripides' tragedy Medea and Apollonius of Rhodes' epic Argonautic. Medea is known in most stories as a sorceress and is often depicted as a priestess of the goddess Hecate. She aids Jason in his search for the golden fleece out of love, assisting him with her magic and saving his life in several quests. Playing the role of an archetypal helper maiden before abandoning her native Colchis, marrying him and fleeing with him westwards, where they eventually settle in Corinth. Euripides' 5th century BC tragedy Medea, arguably the best known adaptation of the Medea myth, depicts the ending of sad union with Jason when, after 10 years of marriage, Jason abandons her to wed the king's daughter Creusa, while Medea and her sons by Jason are to be banished from Corinth. In revenge, she murders Creusa and the king with poisoned gift, and later murders her own sons by Jason before fleeing for Athens, where she eventually marries King Aegeus. Other traditions mention several other causes of death for Medea's sons. What happened afterwards varies according to several accounts. Herodotus in his histories mentions that she ended up leaving Athens and settling in the Iranian plateau among the Aryans, who subsequently changed their name to the Medes. Guys, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक, Character 4 Medea in Euripides' Trojan Woman. Thanks for watching this video. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.